Hello! Today I unbox Lechuza Cubeto Stone 30. This flower pot has cell watering system. As you can see, the color of this cubetus is stone gray, but you can choose from two more other beautiful colors. The bottom of the package is instructions. The flower pot is made of two parts. Inner part is for planting plants. The outer part of the flower pot is decorative and captures water. The package includes a substrate for water drainage and nutrition, Lechuza Cubeto. This is a water level indicator. I'll unpack it now and later I put it together. Some facts about Cubeto 30. Diameter is 30 centimeters. and high is 14 centimeters. But it is suitable only for plants with root system depth less than 8 centimeters. Water reservoir is 1.6 liters and soil volume is 4.5 liters. Now I pour the drainage layer. The flower pot is for both indoor and outdoor use. You just need to leave or remove the orange screw. Okay, my cubeto is ready for planting my bonsai. What is planted in yours? I welcome your ideas in comments. If you like my video, please push like button and subscribe to my channel, The Fox in the Box. See you in my next video, and until then, have joy!